This is our renovation that we're removing all the load-bearing walls upstairs. We're redistributing the load down through the basement. Here we're at the footer that the engineer gave us a plan for. We put the metal reinforcement inside of it, and this footer is actually a little smaller because it's sitting on the original house's footer. So we were able to minimize that. The ones across the basement that are transferring the rest of the load are quite a bit bigger. He had spec'd using a wood member here to frame it up, and we asked him if he'd be okay with us doing metal. Of course he was, because that's better than what is required. The building code is really there as a minimum requirement, and we really try to do a few steps above that if possible. So build better than you have to.